guys, welcome back to my channel. I used to get made fun of so much for saying that every single time. Like all my family members and people at school would be like, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and like flip their hair like I always used to do.
Everybody do that?
Yeah, but no one ever watched YouTube in my family or anything. Okay, welcome back to our channel, my channel. He's on the vlog channel, don't read the questions yet. We are here to film the husband tag. I'm so excited.
I'm not.
You guys haven't formally met Riley in his most goofy, best, funniest state. Like, I know him. He's been in a couple vlogs, but obviously, like I said in the last video, not willingly. It was not his choice to be in those vlogs. But he is ready to sit down and film some He's ready to sit down and film some videos. So I'm gonna ask him, wow,
this is a struggle bus.
I'm gonna ask him all of these husband tag questions, and we're gonna see what he thinks, what he answers.
I don't know the answers.
It's okay. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, the first one is how and where did we meet?
We met in high school in our forensics class. We were lab partners.
That's all. We can do more in-depth videos on any of these questions if you guys want, but since there's 35 of them, we're just gonna snap through some of them, okay? What was your first impression of me?
Why did this girl sit next to us?
No.
There was open seats?
No, I sat down first and he came in late and had to sit next to me and his friend.
Okay, whatever. I thought she was cute and I liked her, but me being super quiet and her being super talkative, we didn't really click to begin with.
We didn't talk for 6 months and we were literally lab partners. Like, we would work on projects for 6 months and we didn't talk to each other ever.
She would do the work, I would check it and fix it.
And then our third partner did, well,
He didn't do it.
nothing. Sorry. Okay, how and where was our first date?
Oh, we have different ones.
First one.
Okay, our first one was to Krispy Kreme. And they told me we were better off being friends.
I didn't mean it as like friend zone, I just meant I really liked him as a friend. Was that our first one or was the basketball game first? So I thought we hung out first and then went to Krispy Kreme one day after school.
I can't remember.
I can't either.
So long ago.
It was 4 years ago. It's all jumbled in my brain.
Don't look at my toes.
Mine too. Okay. How and where was our first kiss? How was
Is this the one where we disagree on too? Because it was at your house.
No, I agree
where
on
we're
that.
watching the basketball game.
I agree on that. We're watching
Rockets first part.
And that's how the love of basketball grew in between us. When did you meet my family?
I met your mom at your candy store.
That's true.
It was like
I don't even know
quite a
when.
while after we had started dating.
Yeah, we probably were together for like 6 months.
No, not that long.
4 months?
Like
Okay.
maybe a month.
Okay, so that's not quite a while. How did you know I was the one?
Does anyone remember? I'm just kidding. I don't know. But you just are. I
Okay.
can feel it.
Okay. How long have we been together? Relationship and marriage?
Getting in trouble here.
I don't know.
We've been together for over 4 years, and we are coming up on 9 months?
10.
10 months? Close enough.
Of marriage?
Of marriage, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. How do you resolve problems? How do we resolve problems?
Oh man, I don't know. How do we? We usually get mad at each other, fight a little bit, then get quiet, and then realize that it's something stupid, and then we end up snuggling and just being our goofy selves.
Yeah, we usually we both get very stubborn, but then it is over pretty quick because we don't like being
Realize
mad
it's something
at each other.
stupid.
Yeah. What do you two do for a living, and are you using your college degree? Homegirl didn't go to college, don't plan on it, probably never will. So no. and I work at an insurance company right now, and this is Riley, because he's finishing up school. What do you love about me?
That's not fair.
I love Riley's ambition, that he's so sweet and family oriented. That he's so family oriented. He is really pushing for both of our dreams to come true and for us to be a really strong team and work towards the goals that we both have. He's so cute.
Let's come back to that one.
We're not gonna come back to any.
Yeah.
Okay, we probably won't. So, the world may never know. What are some places that you want to travel?
With you?
Yeah. No, by yourself. Where would you like to go? Vegas.
Well, we just went to Disneyland.
Woo woo!
That was fun. That was probably my top place to go with you. Probably Hawaii is the only other place that I would want to travel to.
I don't want to go back to Disneyland.
Yeah, definitely.
Like once a year. Children, question mark? How many do you want?
A child.
A child.
Boom. A child. No.
I would like 2 or 3 kids. Probably 3, because I was the third.
And the best is always
And the
last.
best is always last. So yeah, I'd probably say 2 or 3.
I want 2 or 3. I think depending on like if we have a girl first, then I'm cool to go 2 and 3. But if we have a little boy first, like I want 2 little boys, but I really want a little girl. So I don't know, I think it just kind of depends on the age that we have them too. Like if we have them in the next one of them in the next 2 years, then great.
Work.
What?
What?
What is my favorite color?
Blush pink.
Correct. What is my favorite food?
Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich.
Yes. What is my favorite sports team?
Golden State Warriors.
Hell yes. What's my favorite TV show?
That's hard. You like...
Name my top 3. Doesn't have to be in order.
Top 3 right now because they change.
Yes, top 3 right now.
Okay. Office. Teen Mom.
Yep. No, be careful with Teen Mom.
Like the... Okay.
Teen Mom 2.
2, yeah.
We don't like the OGs.
Yeah, not that.
Like Teen Mom 2. Number 3. What do we always watch together?
Survivor.
Yeah. Just right now. I think like my top 3 just in general are like The Office, Psych, Scrubs. Okay. What food do I not like?
A lot.
Everything. I'm very picky. What's my eye color?
Brown.
If I could eat one thing every day, what would it be?
Spicy chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A.
What's my favorite type of sandwich?
Spicy chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A.
Who's my best friend? Yeah, for sure. What is something I do that you wish I wouldn't?
Take my phone out of my hand.
Oh, good old snatcheroo. What is my heritage and where am I from?
Oh, God. Canada.
What's my heritage?
White.
I'm French, Canadian, Scandinavian, Norwegian, Italian, English.
White.
Mostly Canadian and French. Yeah. Ooh, did I play any sports? I did too. I did play sports.
You played baseball when you were little.
No.
What did you play then?
I played volleyball throughout junior high.
Oh, yeah,
I
that's
played
right.
softball. I danced for like 12 years.
Learn something every day.
Oh my gosh. You knew all that. Okay, this is the one you've been dreading. If you baked me a cake, what would you bake me?
Like what kind?
Yeah.
Funfetti or chocolate, but probably funfetti.
I do love a good tiramisu, but funfetti for sure. What is one unique talent that I have?
You're really good at picking up stuff with your toes.
I am. That's a good one.
talent. Unique.
That is a good unique talent. Oh, What do we argue about the most?
Where to spend Christmas.
It's like a year-long fight that never in our 4 years has ever been resolved. And so always just like Christmas just comes and wherever we are is wherever we go for Christmas. And then the battle just continues and like.
It's not fun.
It's intense. Like it is not fun. What is my favorite restaurant?
Chick-fil-A spicy sandwich.
Okay, other than Chick-fil-A, what's my favorite restaurant? Not here, obviously. But like in Boise.
You like Blaze? That's not your favorite.
Mm-mm.
I'd either say
Where's someone we always
Old
go?
Chicago.
Or
Icebergs? You don't. I
Right.
like them. That sucks.
they aren't near us, but when we were dating and when we used to live in Boise, I had a couple favorites. But now it's just Chick-fil-A because that's the only one that's within 45 minutes, and it's exactly 45 minutes away. What can I spend hours doing?
Shopping at Target.
Okay, nothing
I'll give that,
expected.
but you can watch YouTube for hours.
Like, what? It's too long? Oh, hours. Okay, we skipped a couple, so we only have 2 more left. Who was the first one to say I love you? And where was it? Oh, no.
I don't know where it was. I think you texted it to me.
I think I texted it to you too. We were in high school.
We were in high school.
Get over it, everybody. It was me. Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you texted it.
I'm fairly certain I texted it. Okay. What is my most repeated phrase or sentence?
Oh, I should know this, but I don't know it.
I feel like we quote a lot of things. So like, what are my top 3 things that I say all the time?
I don't know. I can't think of them now.
You can't?
No.
I can think of 2 right off the top of my head.
Give me a hint.
I can't without giving it away.
Give me a small hint.
I can't.
Try.
Duke.
Dude, give my ball.
No.
Yeah.
No. Meter.
Oh, meter. That's not a thing. Yeah.
Repeated phrase.
Meter.
Say meter.
Meter.
Which is, we call Duke meter, like Mr. But meter, I don't know why. The second one is AQU.
Oh.
AQU? AQU? AQ me. What's my last one?
I don't know.
Oh, Mom's got jokes.
That was me.
I know. I mean, we just say a lot of things a lot.
Yeah.
I talk a lot. Okay, that is it for this video. We answered, I don't even know how many,
I don't even.
because we skipped a couple, because those were boring. But that was fun. Thank you for doing it with me.
You're welcome.
I love you. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, and please comment down below any videos you'd like to see of this handsome boy and me to do. And we just love you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.